Today we are making an individual sized pizza using no yeast pizza dough. This is week 2 of a pizza month here on Small Batch Big Taste. Now this particular no yeast pizza dough comes together so quick and easy. The crust has a nice light texture to it, and like I said, 20 minutes, it is faster and easier than pizza delivery. All right, so for our crust, all you need is 2/3 a cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use bread flour if you have it. I'm gonna put in a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and then we have got a 1/3 cup of water. And we are just gonna, let's get that little mix here, add that water in and stir it up. But before we get it all the way stirred up, I forgot to add in a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil, or a light flavored oil, kind of like canola oil would also work. But I like using olive oil in my pizza. All right, so we're just gonna mix that up until it all comes together. Now, depending on your flour, depending on your weather, you add a little bit extra water into it if it's kind of dry and the flour doesn't seem to all be absorbing. But in my case, it's a little sticky, so I'm just gonna grab a little bit more flour and then just sprinkle a little bit in. You want the dough to be tacky but not sticky because you want to be able to handle it. Yeah, that's all it needed. It was just another little sprinkle of flour. All right, maybe just a little bit more. All right, we're gonna take it out. We are going to lightly flour our counter, and then we're just gonna knead the dough for a minute or two. You just want it to be nice and soft and smooth. And not too long, just to kind of make sure the dough's nice, come together and smooth. All right, there we go. It can be tacky, but not sticky. Then we are going to I'm just gonna take a baking sheet. I have lined it with some parchment paper. I'm gonna grab my rolling pin. And then we are going to add a little bit more flour to your counter if you have to, so it doesn't stick. We're just gonna roll this out into a circle. If you have to, you can add a little flour to your rolling pin so it doesn't stick. And to get a round circle, I've showed you this in my other pizza videos. I like to roll and then rotate it 1/4 turn. Roll again, I'm sticking a little, so we'll add a little flour. 1/4 turn. Now this is gonna make about, I don't know, an 8 to 10 inch pizza. It's a nice, perfect size, kind of personal size pizza. All right, you can roll it out. If you want a super thin crust, go ahead and roll it out even more. I kind of like a medium thickness to the crust. So we're gonna take this and get my pan here, lay it on our baking sheet. Now I've got my oven preheated. Let me double check, I think it's 425, yeah, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna grab our sauce. Now I showed you how to make my yummy small batch pizza sauce in that video up there. I'll also post the recipe down in the description below. So it's quick and easy and delicious. We're ready to add our sauce. Now I don't like a lot of sauce, so I just use probably maybe a couple of tablespoons, if that, maybe 1.5 tablespoons on here. So you can make up that batch of small batch pizza sauce. Sometimes I even like double it, and then I freeze what I don't use in ice cube trays, and then I can pop those out and put them in a freezer bag. And when that pizza craving hits and I need to make this quick little pizza, I've got the sauce already made. So little tip for you. Then we're gonna use some mozzarella cheese. I've got maybe 3/4, 2/3 of a cup here, just depending on how cheesy you like your pizza. I like a lot of cheese. We're gonna add that on, and then you can choose your favorite toppings. Our house, as I mentioned in that other video, is pepperoni. So we're gonna add on some pepperoni, and then we're gonna pop this pizza in the oven, and it only bakes for 10 to 12 minutes at 425. So, you know, it takes you maybe 10 minutes to put it together, 10 minutes to bake, 20 minutes, you've got pizza. All right, so does it get any easier than this? I mean, look at that. Perfection. It smells amazing. It tastes great. Your own personal sized pizza, whether you need a snack, lunch, dinner, a late night snack, this is perfect. And all you gotta do is slice her up and enjoy. I like to slice it just into quarters That way, who knows, maybe I'll share a piece with Jim. But look at this. That crust. It's everything a pizza should be. And no yeast in 20 minutes. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure you check out my other videos down below, especially that yeast crust pizza and other main dish recipes. I'll see you next week where we are making Detroit style deep dish pizza.